Hi, this is a short intro to the Fedora release process from the point of view of Packit. I will go through the Fedora workflow, and if you are a maintainer, you can skip this part. In the end, I will summarize the Packit features that can help you maintaining your package. What do I mean for Fedora workflow here? I mean the process that your package needs to follow to go from the upstream as pure code to the final user as a library or an application ready to be installed. Your package code can be found in the upstream, and Packit supports different Git forges as an upstream, like GitHub or GitLab, but also different instances for GitLab, as GNOME GitLab or Free Desktop GitLab. The distribution Git or dist-git is built using another Git forge, Pagure. The distribution Git is a collection of repositories, one repository for every package. Almost because sometimes the same repository can build multiple related packages. In every repository, you will find a metadata, the instructions needed to build the package in a file named spec file. You will find a reference to the sources needed to build the package. And sometimes you can have patches needed to fix the build process or fix the behavior of the code inside your distribution. The distribution Git repositories use the look-aside cache to reference the source code for a package. And the look-aside cache is an archive database where the tuples taken from the upstream are saved to be used by the Fedora workflow. The Fedora build system is named Koji. It takes as an input a source RPM, which is a bundle with all the metadata, sources, and patches needed to build the package. The result is an RPM package, which is specific for an upstream version for a chosen Fedora distribution, and if the language is not dynamic, for a chosen architecture. The last step in this workflow goes through the update gating system named Body. This service tracks the status of every build package. It can tell you if this is the latest stable release for a given version of the package, if it is still in a testing phase, or maybe it has been obsoleted by a newer release. And the system also collects the feedback coming from the Fedora community. You can give your positive or negative karma to a well-behaving or not well-behaving package in your distribution. The result of the previous workflow is that now the Fedora user can choose to install the package through a standard tool. And now we can see where Packit can help you with the Fedora workflow. This is again all the Fedora workflow. And we can say that we need manual work to move code from the upstream to the look-aside cache, to change the metadata into distribution Git, to trigger a Koji build, and after the Koji build is done, to trigger a body update. And Packit can help you automatizing all of these. Packit can create a distribution Git pull request as soon as a new upstream version is released, with all the changes in the metadata and in the look-aside cache needed to build the new package. This work can be done by two different package jobs, proposed downstream or pulled from upstream. You need to choose one of them and add it to your package configuration. If you are satisfied with the package created pull request and you merge it, Packit can automatically trigger a Koji build for you. To trigger Koji builds, you need to have a Koji build job in your Packit configuration. Packit can wait for a Koji build to finish and trigger a body update for you. All you need is a body update job in your Packit configuration. There exists a separate video explaining all these jobs.